In 1957, Ford introduced a vehicle that didn't quite fit into any category, a car with the heart of a pickup and the style of a coupe. The Ford Ranchero. Over the years, it would evolve through multiple generations, each more unique than the last, yet somehow all carrying that unmistakable Ranchero DNA. Today, we're diving deep into every Ranchero model you may have never known existed. From rare trims to limited editions, this is the ultimate Ranchero journey, so buckle up. The story begins in 1957. Ford took the platform of the Fairlane and added a pickup bed. The result? The very first Ranchero, a bold new hybrid nobody had seen before. Available with either a straight 6 or V8, the 1957 model offered surprising power for a car truck. It wasn't just practical, it was stylish, with chrome accents, swooping lines, and options like a two-tone paint job that made it stand out from anything else on the road. By 1958 and 1959, Ford added more customization, deluxe trims, optional radios, and even the powerful 332 cubic inch V8. Already, the Ranchero was making a statement. You didn't have to choose between style and utility. Ford went even further with the second generation. The 1960 Ranchero got a cleaner, more aerodynamic look, shedding some of the first generation's boxiness. But the real story? The engines. The 1960s Ranchero could be equipped with the famous 352, 390, or even the 427 cubic inch V8s, turning this car truck hybrid into a muscle machine in disguise. Collectors today are particularly drawn to the 1964 to 1965 Ranchero GT packages, featuring sportier suspension, stripes, and even bucket seats. Back then, it was the perfect combination of a pickup bed you could actually show off at the car meet. By 1966, the Ranchero had fully embraced the muscle era. Longer, lower, and wider, these models weren't just practical, they were a statement of raw American power. The GT and Cobra jet engines made their debut, with the 390 and 428 V8s giving drivers more horsepower than many sports cars of the time. This was also the era when the Ranchero started competing directly with Chevrolet's El Camino, sparking a rivalry that would last decades. Fun fact, the 1967 Ranchero GT was so rare that finding one today in original condition is considered a serious collector's treasure. The fourth generation Ranchero was unmistakable. Bigger, wider, and more aggressive than any model before, these Rancheros carried the confidence of late 60s Detroit design. The 1968 to 1971 models offered everything from practical daily drivers to full-on muscle variants. The GT versions featured hood scoops, sport mirrors, and aggressive styling cues. And let's not forget about the Ranchero 500, a trim aimed at combining luxury and performance, a rare combination in the pickup world. Collectors today pay thousands just to see these models in original condition. By the 1970s, the Ranchero had matured into a true classic. The fifth generation combined size, power, and comfort like never before. Optional big block 429 V8s and 460 V8s made these trucks feel unstoppable on the road. Luxury options included plush interiors, vinyl roofs, and upgraded radios. The 1973 to 1976 Ranchero GT models were considered the ultimate expression of muscle meets utility. Today, enthusiasts seek these out not only for their power but for their unmistakable style. Every curve, every line screams vintage American automotive excellence. The last generation of the Ranchero, from 1977 to 1979, marked the end of an era. Smaller, more compact, and slightly tamer than previous generations, these models focused on efficiency and comfort as muscle cars faded into stricter regulations. Though they lacked the extreme power of their predecessors, these Rancheros still carried the DNA of every generation before them, a car-truck hybrid that could handle work, style, and cruising on the weekend. By 1979, Ford decided to retire the Ranchero, leaving behind a legacy that collectors and fans still honor today. Beyond the main generations, there are some truly rare Ranchero variants that most people have never seen. Ranchero GT Cobra Jet Editions, high performance, low production muscle variants. Ranchero 500 Deluxe, luxury Focus trim with vinyl tops and upgraded interiors. Special regional editions, some markets had limited trims with unique paint schemes or badges. These rare Rancheros are collector gold today, sometimes fetching six figures at auction. If you thought the Ranchero was just a quirky pickup, these models prove it was so much more. From its humble beginnings in 1957 to its final farewell in 1979, the Ford Ranchero proved that you could mix style, utility, and performance in a way no one else dared. Each generation brought something new, sometimes muscle, sometimes luxury, but always a piece of history. Which Ranchero would you choose to drive today? Would it be the original 57, the muscle-packed 67, or the luxury GTs of the 70s? Let us know in the comments below, and if you love this journey through Ranchero history, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more legendary cars you never knew existed.